Guys, today we will talk about the TikTok app, and right now I will show you how to use templates on the TikTok application. So let's start watching. You need to remember that the TikTok templates is a pre-made video model that other users can use for their own TikToks. So let's start to try this feature on the TikTok. Remember also that you don't have to download special applications for this, like CapCut and other editors. You can without any troubles activate the same template directly from the TikTok. So let's click on the plus icon at the bottom panel of the screen to create a new TikTok. And after, you will get a lot of different options on the main menu. Also, other users can have their stories option, etc. But we are interested only on templates. And well done. Right now we have a lot of different possible to use templates. You can activate any you want, because I need to say that there are a lot of interesting and funny options. But I'm sure that you will find something for yourself. Yet it's crazy, but for example, I really like this one because it looks like some music track and I like it. So let's tap on this upload photos key to use some images from the gallery to create this effect on the TikTok. So let's tap on the upload photos key. Right now we are on our gallery, but I want to go to another album, so let's tap on the arrow at the top and I will click on the TikTok album because I want, for example, to use this photo. It's also circle, so okay, let's tap on OK. Well done, guys. I'm sure that you will like this effect and more others because they are interesting, and we need to click on differently few features to create such amazing effect. Also, don't forget that you can choose another, for example, sound for this TikTok. You can correct another options like unusual video on the TikTok, like text, stickers, effects, etc. And to publish this newly created video, let's tap on the next button at the top. You can also add some text here, as always, like hello. And also you can add some cover. For example, I want to save this one. You can, don't forget that it's possible to use any options as usual, every options as usual when TikTok settings creation. So let's tap on the post to add our video to the profile. Let's click on the post and wait a little bit before the successful public. Yes, publication is also done. Let's check it on the profile. I will refresh it one more time because I want to check if this video uploaded with no troubles. And yes, after clicking on it, you can check the result, and I really like it. I hope that this tutorial was short but useful. Don't forget that on our YouTube you can find a lot of secret options about the TikTok on other videos, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check other guides. Goodbye guys, good luck!